What's up my good people, welcome guys to the seniors channel, and in today's video I'm gonna introduce you to a method that you can use to earn money for free. How do you go about it? Let's get started. So all you need to do is just click the link in my video description or in the comment section, and once you click that link it will take you to Google Play Store where you'll be able to download the Mara wallet. Mara wallet is a crypto wallet, just like we have the Binance. It's a new crypto wallet that will be up in the next few days. That is probably by December or January, but you can be able to sign up and earn yourself some money. Also, there is you can also earn money through referrals. So the moment you just need to click earn, and you can see, for example, you can go to share your invite link, and when you share your invite link to your friends, you can be able to earn. You can be able to earn every single person who joins this platform using your invite link. You earn as $1 USD, which actually you can be able to receive. You can be able to withdraw it into your account. So every single person you invite, you earn yourself $1 USD, and also you have the $2 USD that is a sign up bonus. Now just create an account and sign in onto this site, you earn yourself $2 USD. Then for every single person that you invite onto this platform to join using your invitation link, you earn yourself $1 USD. So if, for example, you happen to invite like 100 friends, you'll have earned yourself, that is 100 USD, then plus the $2 sign up bonus, and you have a total of 1 or 2 USD. And it's very simple. Just share your invitation link with your friends, and that's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.